Let's make ice cream together with just 2 ingredients, shall we? Hello beautiful family members, you all are welcome to my YouTube channel. For my ice cream, I'll be using powdered whipping cream. Also be using some condensed milk, and I also have some ice cold water. The next thing I'm going to do now is to measure out my powdered whipping cream. After that, I'm going to add my water. Next thing, I'll start by mixing the powdered whipping cream and the water together until everything is well mixed together. Once I've mixed this to this point, the next thing I'll add is my condensed milk. If you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and be part of this family. I share amazing recipe on my YouTube channel that you are definitely going to love. And once you subscribe, don't forget to turn on your notification bell so whenever I drop a new video, you will be notified. After adding my condensed milk, I'll continue mixing. The full measurement that I use will be in the description box. Please check. After mixing everything together, my ice cream is ready. So I'm going to divide this into 2 parts. I'm making 2 flavors. So I add melted chocolate to this to give me chocolate ice cream. So this is my chocolate ice cream. So I'm just going to transfer this inside the bowl and I'm going to freeze it. So for the remaining ice cream, I'm going to add vanilla flavor to it to give me vanilla flavor ice cream. So I'm also going to transfer this inside the bowl. These are my 2 ice cream, vanilla and chocolate ice cream. So I'll place this inside the freezer and freeze it. After freezing this for some hours, this is what I have. My ice cream is ready. So I'm just going to scoop this inside my ice cream bowl and serve. Can you see how easy it is to make ice cream for yourself? So go ahead and make ice cream for yourself. So guys, till I come your way in my next video, keep believing in yourself. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.